Which gulab goes to the moon?
Huh?
Which gulab goes to the moon? I know. Gulab
Hello everybody, my name is Joshua Roy and I study in BPS East. I have done a robot electronics course at Roboprenr and I have made a project and this is my project. So the name of my project is Smart Racing Car and it works like this. First, there is an IR sensor in the back, so it can sense any object which is behind it. And there is a light sensor over here which can sense light. This IR sensor works. It makes a buzzing sound because there is a buzzer here. So whenever there is an object behind it, the IR sensor will sense it, and this buzzer will buzz and make the noise.